Welcome to the demonstration of RetinaVector. So you might have seen our other video on RetinaRaster, which allows you to cut images on the laser device. But if you want to do photos, then it's great to use raster. But if you want to actually cut something out, then you really want to use vector. So this is the vector program, and it's a little different. It has basically the same layout as RetinaRaster. It has the jog panel here, and you can unlock or lock the device to move the laser head into position. It also has a cut speed. Faster speeds allow you to cut faster, but there's less time the laser spends on a particular area, so it's not as deep. So you want to play between the speed and the knob. Also, as you increase the speed, the accuracy will go down because motors always have a finite acceleration. So if we're cutting out like a sharp corner, we'll need to speed up, slow down, and stop. If you go too fast, you might overshoot that end. So this is a good setting at 40%, and you can adjust the speed, but we recommend just leaving it as it is. If you want to cut paper, you can turn the knob to 2 milliamps, and that will cut paper great. If you want to cut an 1/8 inch plywood, say balsa or birch plywood, then you can set it to about 5 milliamps. The laser goes all the way up to 25 milliamps, so if you're cutting something deeper, like 1/4 inch plastic, then you want to increase that to, say, between 15 and 20 milliamps. So this shows you that the device is connected, and all you do is hit the one button, cut now, and it cuts it out. Let's give a demonstration. So this is a program called Inkscape. There's a link on our website to download this. This program is free, so instead of buying CorelDRAW, which is several $100s, you can just use this program. This program is a vector program, so you can draw stuff on it. Again, similarly to rastering program, we have the direct print technology, so we'll file print, and we need to save to the Microsoft XPS document writer. Visit our other video for an explanation. This document writer is built into all versions of Windows past Windows Vista. Both Windows 7 and Windows Vista have it built in, and it's a free download for Windows XP. So we type print. Again, we need to save this file into the C output directory, so I'm going to save it. And as soon as I save it, then you can see what happened was that the raster program, or the vector program, automatically picks out the output and converts it to a bunch of vector trajectories. So here it tells you how many polylines there are, so how many actual devices or cutouts it's going to actually make. So it's going to cut all these out, and it'll start at one point, follow along, follow along, follow along, stop, move to the next object, and you'll have a cutout of all these little pieces. So all you need to do is hit cut now, and everything will be cut. It also tells you the dimensions, which is 5 by 5, and it automatically shrinks this to the smallest possible size. So it always starts at the top left-hand corner, and it goes to the first device near that corner, cuts this one out, then moves to the next one, cuts it out, and so forth. You can see even the text comes out. Not only does it work with a program like Inkscape, but any program that can generate fonts or vectors, it'll work. It doesn't work with Microsoft Paint and other raster programs. Of course, you can use RetinaRaster for those types of programs. But let me give a demonstration here. We're going to print and print out to the document writer. And I'll type word.xps. You only have to do this with the built-in Microsoft XPS document writer. If you're using the driver from Full Spectrum Laser, that this will automatically output to C output as a file, and you can skip the file name typing. But hitting OK will allow us to output to this directory. So as you see, as soon as we printed it, it comes into the program and it gives us the fonts, and it gives us 17 polylines, which correspond to how many times it needs to lift up to cut out this word. So that's all for RetinaVector. Please visit our website at fullspectrumengineering.com and see our sister program, RetinaRaster. And between the two programs, you can either raster or you can vector cut on the laser device. It makes the laser very easy to use, and soon we'll combine these two programs so that there's just one program that you can both raster and vector cut, and you can do both at the same time.